this lesson, we are going to create a form. Forms are very vital. So now this is a really basic and a simple form for you to create. Has the first name. You can put the first name. You can make all this here for the label. You can put in first name. You can go with the email. You can make this required. When you put the required, it has that little asterisk next to it. You can choose the column, how much it goes out. If you have a short code you want to put in, you don't put that anything there. You can put in this is for your name. And then you have the email part. You can add the email form section here. And the beautiful thing about it is that you can pick and choose. You click to close, to open. If you wanted to add something else, you click here. Let's say you wanted to add first name. Let's say you want to add last name. And then you got to put that with the label, last name. And do you want this to be a text area, or let's click on the drop down. This can be a URL where they can put in their website. This can scroll down. This can be a radio button there. This can be, select a drop down. And then you give them option 1, option 2, option 3. Let me move this out the way. So when they click on this, now they have option 1, option 2. It's a really powerful way for you to create amazing forms. You can give them multiple options to choose 1, 2, or 3. You can disable that, or you can keep it. And let's say you wanted to add something else. You can click here to add another field to the form. What are we going to add here? So you can put in a date, make that required. Enter date, please, for the placeholder. Placeholder is just a text here that people see what you're writing, and they can be able to choose their information from there. So we don't need that on here. They can come down, choose the width. And as you can see, you can create the form to be whatever you want it to be. All you have to do is click on this add here and go to this. You can make sure you change the name and you change the fill. The fill here is what people are going to see. And then for the type, you can choose whatever type that you want to go on there. You can choose date, you can choose email, you can choose text area. Let me see what else you have. You have so many. You can choose HTML. You can have it to be hidden. So this is a great way for you to create a form, and you can get your forms up and going very, very quickly. And if you wanted to make some more changes to the gaps, you can come here and do this. You drag it, it's going to open it. You want some gaps, you can add some more space. Now let's go to the labels. You can change the colors of the labels. If you wanted to match your site, and let's close that up, and then you can go over to the fill. Let's go over to, let's close that up to the button. If you have a button there, you can change the hover. This is here, the hover, the normal. Now that's red, you can choose that. So as you click around, you kind of see what you're doing, and it shows you the background for this button here. You can change that as well. You can add an image, and then you have the hover, the body type. You can have solid, you can have double. So feel free, create a form, and have so much fun doing it.